2012 TL. The Acura TL is a strong choice for people looking for a mid-size luxury vehicle. Offering a typically spacious Acura interior, this car is loaded with high-tech features and receives top scores in crash tests. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, backup camera, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, keyless start, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.